Wagwan, my lovely taquitos, welcome back to my channel. I want to thank you for your support thus far, and if you're just joining me, hello there. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button if free. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, don't be shy, and most importantly, share with all of your wonderful friends and your good up friends them, because God love when you share. Hey guys, so this is the rice that we'll be working with. It is called a borio. It is a type of rice specifically used to make risotto because of the high starch content and the fact that it is good at absorbing a lot of liquids that we'll be using. And as you can see, it is completely different than the rest of rice we're used to. Here I have the arborio on your left and some basmati white rice and plain white rice, just to show the difference. Now if you would like to get an in-depth tutorial on the do's and don'ts of making risotto, I guess you should go and check out James Makinson. I'll put his link in the link to that to his risotto recipe in the description below. So yeah, that's just about it. Kick back, relax, enjoy Tiki-Cooks TV with some music. All right. So guys, this was so much fun to make. I have been meaning to make this a long time now, and I finally did. This was so much fun. It tastes so good. I've always heard that making risotto takes time. Yeah, you might not get it right on the first try, but let me tell you something. Your girl got it right. It tastes so good, so yummy. This is my new kind of pasta, trust me. Go ahead, you can do a little tweaking. You can add pumpkin, anything, any flavor you want. It's basically like seasoned rice, as we would say. So yeah, guys, remember to give me a comment. Don't be shy. Leave a thumbs up, and most importantly, subscribe. Bye bye.